Hey guys, Gerald for Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the Air Force 1 platform. Before we get to this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit the subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, it helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. Just try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take the time and opportunity to thank the subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. So thank you. Let's go. And today we've got a look at the Nike Air Force 1 platform. We got this in the UK size 7.5. It's European 42 and it's an American women's 10. So this Air Force 1 is a bit different because of the name. Well, it's a platform one. But you still got that premium box, the Nike Air Force 1 box, and essentially it is an Air Max. No, Air Max is not. It's an Air Force 1. It's right here for you guys. So when you first look at it, it's got the DNA of the Air Force 1 silhouette. It's all around, but there is a bit of a difference, especially on that midsole unit, which we'll get into. But first of all, we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is an all rubber outsole. It's a bit different. It's still got the Air Force 1 DNA. If you look at the patterning, it's got the radial traction and on the front and at the heel, but it's a bit indented. You can see it right there. It's like there's been cut into it, but you still got that Nike logo right there. You can still see the stars as well. That makes the Air Force 1 so special. The midsole unit, so the midsole unit is essentially a cup sole, but the inner is a foam material that's inside, and you got the Nike Air logo on the heel. And if we look into the upper, so this upper is a leather upper, finely cut. Still all the details of an Air Force 1. It's a little different because I don't remember the Air Force 1 being stitched on right there just below the laces. But at the toe box, you've got your perforation, which is iconic when it comes to Air Force 1s. And you can see, if we look at the lateral side, you've got a massive swoosh right there in this all leather body. So this whole leather upper comes in this beautifully cut black leather. Looking at the tongue, so you've got flat laces, and then if you look at the tongue, you've got like a padded nylon tongue with a Nike Air Force 1 logo stitched on there. At the back, so looking at the heel, it's still that whole leather upper, and you've got the Nike Air stitched. Medial side is essentially the same as the lateral side, you've got that Nike swoosh. And on the ankle support, you've got a finely cushioned ankle support. It's a bit different to what you're used to with a normal Air Force 1. The materials are a bit different, but the DNA, the heart of the Air Force 1 is still there. As you can see it on the insole where it says AF1 established in 1982, because that was the year the Air Force 1 was made. Really lightweight. Forgot to mention that you've got this little lace lock. Well, it's not lace lock, it's like a little panel right there with a Nike swoosh. The normal white Air Force 1s, you've got the silver metallic one, and that's dope. Flat laces to go with it. Unfortunately, there isn't another pair of laces, but the extra oomph, what gives it the platform, is essentially this little bump there. You can kind of see it right there. Look at the heel unit. That gives it the platform, a more elevated look for the Air Force 1. And yeah, this one goes out for my short kings like me, who's gonna start wearing these to get a little couple of inches in our height. So I'm gonna roll that footage of me trying these platforms on for you. comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size Nike fit. I'm a UK size 7.5. My toes are where they need to be. It's really cool on. I feel a bit, it doesn't really feel, I don't feel the difference between wearing an Air Force One and these platforms. I know the midsole is a bit bigger, but I can't really feel it. Can't really see it either. But that's just me. It's really nice though, really nice materials. If you want a elevated Air Force One look, this is the one you go for. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram at Oneupreviewz, on Instagram and on TikTok. And until next time guys, peace.